kindergarten friends, happy Friday. Let's take a quick look at our morning message. Are you ready? Read with me. Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Today is Friday, December 4th, 2020. We are so happy you are watching today. We will do an experiment during our class Zoom today. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to share it with you. All right, let's get to work here. Please read these sounds and blend into a word, okay? All right, remember we push up each sound. Here we go. App. Map. Good job. Map. App. Lap. Lap. App. Tap. App. Sap. Good job, boys and girls. Map, lap, tap, sap. What can you tell me about all those words? You are right. They rhyme. They sound the same in the middle and the end. Do you see that? App, 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 app. Yeah, good job. All right, love Mrs. Cool and Miss Pam. All right, still working on that wonderful letter I. Igloo. Iguana. Insect. Ink. All right, are we ready to count? All right, to 50 today. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Great job, boys and girls. All right, let's count down. Okay, we're going to start at 20. All right, please help me. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Great job, boys and girls. All right, let's make an ABC pattern. Are you ready? Let's do gift or present. Let's call it a gift. Gift, stocking, wreath. Okay, so that's our pattern. Gift, stocking, wreath. Gift, stocking, wreath. Gift, stocking, wreath. There we go. What kind of pattern do we have? An ABC pattern. Good job. All right, let's take a look at our sight words. Read them with me. I'll say them twice. Brown, brown. Black, black. Orange, orange. Red, red. Gray, gray. Am. The. Blue, blue. At. Can. Go. Is. Like. See. Me. Very good, boys and girls. Let's take a look at our activities. We have some fun ones. All right, today we're actually doing some sorting in our math, so I thought we'd do a shape sort. So you got to look at the different shapes at the top: circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. And there's different objects that are triangles, circles, squares, and rectangles, and you have to categorize them or sort them, okay? Once you finish, then push the green button so I can see it. All right, and we're still practicing counting to 20 and putting numbers in order. So you're going to start at 0, and then you're going to count your stockings, and you're putting the number on the ones, all the stockings. And if it already has a number, you don't need to put that. So we would start with, you go 0, 1, 2. You don't have to put a 3 because there's one there already. And then just keep going all the way to 20. When you get done, I want you to point to each number and count to 20 and record it so I can hear you. Okay? And then, let's go up here a little bit. You're going to put your letters in order. Okay? So you're going to start with the A, and they're all capitalized. These are the capital letters. You're going to start with A, and then you're going to find the next letter that would go when you're singing the ABC song, and you're putting them in order, A, B, and they already have the C. So then you keep going all the way down. And then when you're done, I want you to point to each letter and say it. And then send that to me. Okay? All right. Let's take a look at your videos. We're in a new topic. We're actually categorizing or sorting. We've called it sorting in our classroom, but sorting. And we're starting with 5.1, and that will be one of your videos. You're going to do some handwriting, review and practice, and actually it's a page that we've laminated for you, but it's also in your book, and I will go over with that with you, and then you can go ahead and work on that. There's going to be a couple songs. There's going to be Count to 100 song, and then there's another song, Rhyme and Freeze. And then there's going to be this book on the video. All right, it's called Wake Up in the Winter, and there's a video about it, and then you can read the story. All right, if you would like to record yourself reading the story after you've done the video and practice a little bit, I would love to hear that. All right, and I might put some more stories on and more songs throughout the day, so just keep peeking through it over the weekend. Today we have our small group Zooms, and we're doing kind of a math activity. So you're going to need your cubes. You should have 3 different colors. Bring your cubes. Bring a writing paper. You know, you could use that pink paper that I've given you, and like this, and then an Expo marker for the small group Zooms. And then for the whole class Zoom, we're doing a science experiment and a story. So you won't have to bring anything to the whole class Zoom, just the small group Zooms. So, and I will be sending a link out for you right after I put this on your feed, on your Seesaw. Okay? All right. And if, again, I always say it, but I always want you to know if you have any questions about any of your work, then I would want you to make sure that you have your parents call me, message me. I think everybody has my phone number, so please do that because I want to make sure you understand everything that you have to do today. All right, boys and girls, I'm excited to see you at your small group Zooms as well as our class party Zoom. All right, we'll see you today. Have a super duper day.